Hello, I'm Thomas Wallder. I'm a top MCSA student from 2018. It started off with the whole computer architecture and networking. I enjoyed it so much that I can even go into further. I will do my internationals for them because I just enjoyed it. What got me in the first semester was the binary. We learned about binary and so that, and I loved the whole binary system. It was just fantastic. If I can probably describe myself in one word, it will probably be reliable. I can do everything that if you tell me to do, I will do it, and I will ask to make sure that this is the right way to do it and everything like that, to make sure that I am doing it properly. What drives me to go into IT would probably be my parents, my brother and my father, because they both went into IT. So I decided to also go follow them and drive them, and actually one day to drive is my brother and myself actually want to start an IT company, something like that together. Where do I see myself in 2 years? Hopefully I'll be working somewhere towards server management as I'm studying at the moment, but also I do see myself still studying further because IT, it changes every minute. There's no set job about this. IT is continuously moving forward, and so do I. I always want to move forward. I got along with everyone. There was no problem. There was no bad beef. All the lecturers were friendly. My lecturer was probably my best teacher I've ever actually had, and he also did push me towards where I am or what I did achieve last year. The people that motivated me to go study into to study harder and to succeed. There's my grandfather, my dad, my mom, and my brother. My gran, even she, when I got this award, she even started crying just over the phone after I told her, and Dad even put a tear to my face. So that's when I knew that she has motivated me highly. My favorite quote would be, "If you go down, get back up and continue moving forward." This quote has pushed me probably very far in high school as well as now where I am. Be yourself. Don't try to be anybody that you're actually not. That CTU is a very fun place. We had a small class of about 15 people, and everyone, if they don't understand, our lecturer could come and help us because we'll be one-on-one kind of thing. Hi, I'm Thomas Wallder, a CTU success story, and only you can make it happen.